everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Same as the last video, guys. I apologize. I'm going to try to knock a bunch of these out. Nathan's on vacation. I'm leaving town again, so we got about 6, maybe even 8 of these videos we're going to try to knock out today, so they're a little bit different format. I'm going to show you here a killer 63 Impala SS. I think this car is going to drive everybody nuts on the internet. Matter of fact, the coming soon photos already have everybody crazy. Factory tuxedo black with factory red interior. You can see the car sitting down low with a set of billet I'm sorry, those are American racing wheels. It's got the look, and it is a great car. Matching numbers, 327, 300 horsepower, power steering, power disc brakes. Got a great look, slick paint. Not a whole lot that I can really nitpick on the car, other than somebody just put smudge marks everywhere. Sorry, somebody must have been out here. The chrome is nice. If you're seeing that, that's just somebody's wiped something on it. I'm not real sure. Chrome is nice. Grill is nice. It's got slick tuxedo black paint on it. Again, this is the factory color combination. Really good car. Getting a little dust, a couple little touch-up marks. I didn't really see anything much on it, to be honest with you. This trim is very nice in the back. Love the tail lights on these cars. Look how flat this thing is down the sides. That's a long car, man. Car looks good. Killer set of American racing wheels. You can see the car sits down. It's got that just wicked cool lowrider look that I love. Front disc brakes. Look at how flat that thing is. That car is slick. Again, matching numbers, 327, 300 horse engine, stock air cleaner. Looks like it's got a set of Chevrolet finned aluminum valve covers. Hurst radiator with a stock shroud. Power steering, of course, it converted to power front disc brakes. Really detailed up nice underneath the hood. Slick car. Trim's really nice. Doors are nice. Something there. Like new door rubbers. See, the door seams are nice and clean. Yes, new mats are on the way. Love that interior, man. 4-speed manual trans. Killer car. Bucket seats, center console, Hurst shifter, padded dash, tack dash. Look how nice some of that stainless is. A little pitting here, but look at the stainless on the seats. Really nice. Headliner looks great. Steering wheel looks good. Showing 72,000. Supposed to be the right miles on the car. I'll try to find out what the, I know it's a pretty fresh restoration. Factory AM radio, I couldn't get that to come on. Dual exhaust, factory 350 rear axle. All spackle coated in here in the trunk like it should be. rushing, guys. I got a ton of these to try to get done. If I don't get them done, everybody lets me hear about it. Just got back from the show. We did really good. Got a bunch of stuff coming. Matter of fact, 3 of them just came in here within the last 30 minutes. Clean underneath. I did get some good photos of this car. The guys got them done while I was gone. So we got some good shots of the bottom. Again, door seams are nice and clean. Really nice interior. New sill plates. Good looking car, man. I think the owner's manual's in that glove box. Again, padded dash looks great. Gauges are nice and clean. Nice car. Pillar chrome's nice. There's not a whole lot to really pick at on this car, guys. Sorry if I'm spinning you around in circles here. I'll try to just... Oh shoot, what do I do with the keys? Got them in my pocket. Got them in my pocket. I think. So you can fire this thing up. Which key do I got here? This is not good camera work. There it is. Tach dash works. Parking brakes on, it works. I did not get the radio to work. The blower motor did work. Again, that flashing parking brakes because your parking brakes on, it works. Tach works. What else can I try? Wipers work. Yeah, definitely blower motor's definitely working. See if I can slide out of here real quick and walk around. Little lobe to the cam there, you can hear it. Oh, what I was gonna do is flip your lights on. I know all the dash lights lit up. Hopefully you can see that. Good running Chevy small block, guys. Again, guys, make sure you keep track for inventory at southernmotors.com and definitely subscribe to this YouTube page. Have a great day, guys.